Hey guys, it's Jake. Welcome back to another Assets video.
Alright, it's a new week for us. It's Tuesday. We didn't get to filming yesterday, but we're going to walk through and show you guys what we're doing. We have another Rivian in launch green doing full Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF. And then we have this BMW X3 M40. That's getting a bunch of stuff, so it's getting full front end PPF in Xpel Ultimate Plus. The wheels are off, those are off, getting powder coated. And then we did the roof wrap yesterday, roof and spoiler. Spoiler still getting finished up. Then we're doing full window tint, and then we're doing Ceramic Pro Gold. So we're gonna be going around paint correcting, and then 4 base coats and a top coat. And then we have a Porsche 911 Speedster. So this is a pretty rare car. I think it says on here there's a little under 2,000 of these made. The owner told me that there are 700 in the US. It's like over $400,000, so pretty crazy car. It looks really nice. And then we have another Rivian here. This one's in forest green. We're doing full Xpel Stealth PPF.
Alright guys, we just got back from running errands.
Look at these candles. We got them. Jake, you're just gonna really love this.
And then we
Show
got
them the
some
balloons.
cookies from Crumble.
Yeah.
And then we got the balloons going on his chair, you know. Got it all set up. We got the Spidey balloon. And then we got the unicorn. So we're just waiting for Jake to get back. He's running some errands right now. So we're gonna surprise him.
This is so funny.
So yeah, it's like a unicorn now.
It's a uniform. Oh god.
So I think Jake just pulled up with Nima. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jake. Happy birthday to you. You like the cookies you got? Look at the candle. Oh my god.
I did at the same time you did. I didn't even look at the cookie.
Mario, what are your thoughts on working here at Essence Motorsports? Are you happy?
Yeah,
You can say no.
it's pretty chill. I like working on PPF.
Are your bosses mean?
No, they're not mean. They're silly, but hardworking sometimes.
Who's the scariest person here?
I don't think anyone's scary.
No, be honest.
Well, Jake's scary sometimes when he's working on mirrors.
We just finished up the full wrap on the Tesla Model Y. The color we did is a 3M Satin Gold Dust Black. So the customer is about to come pick it up. But we wanted to film this outro for the video, so we hope you guys enjoyed it. And we're going to be posting consistently now, so we're going to be posting once a week. I don't know which day yet. I think we're going to do Mondays. But yeah, we hope you guys enjoy the videos, and like and subscribe.